Start by sitting down in a chair with your back straight and your neck extended. Take a deep breath and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Place the AirPhysio in your mouth. Lift the clear cap toward the ceiling or sky. Blow into the device for 3 to 5 seconds with a consistent and relaxed breathing. Do not try to blow too hard, trying to lift the ball bearing first breath. Use the device up to 5 minutes, 1 to 2 times per minute. The aim is to use the device 10 times in total. The device has a stainless steel ball bearing which sits inside of the cone in the device. This creates an airtight seal. As your diaphragm expands when you blow out, it builds pressure in your lungs until it reaches a specific pressure, which then lifts the stainless steel ball bearing off the cone, breaking the seal and allowing the air to rush out of the device. The difference is that the AirPhysio device creates this process between 15 to 35 times per second compared to a cough, which only happens on average every 2 seconds. This process also helps to make a more efficient cough and allows you to remove foreign particles and excess mucus from the lungs, whilst also helping to expand your lungs and helping the mucociliary escalator to function more efficiently for removal of mucus from the lungs.